Okay, let me try and just do a down and dirty on how you're going to remove the trim to get to your windows to do the window seal replacement like I just did. I'm putting it back together now, so I thought I would take this time to explain kind of how I took it apart. Almost in reverse order, I would say. You need to, one, get these tops off. If you don't know how, there's two little spring clips here and here. You go underneath with a flat pry bar and pop up and then pull this backwards because it has hooks that go in here. Now that's one thing you have to take off. Before you take off anything else, there's a panel here and a panel there. They're around my garage somewhere, so I'm not going to explain how to take those off. But a couple screws, pretty simple, take those off. That would reveal hidden fastener points for the big triangle piece, which is the next thing you need to take off. Now you need to be careful when you're trying to pry this off. It's easier if you first pry it down from the top by putting a flat piece of metal or a screwdriver through here and pushing down the clips that clip into here, that right here. So they go into this hole. You want to pry those down one at a time, slightly pop them off, or you could break them off like I did. This one survived, but might need to be glued down anyways. Then you have a simple pop at the top, another pop there, another pop there. So that's in the bottom corner, which goes over there. Then you have one that's right above the seatbelt hole, and then just that one in the corner. Then you have three along the bottom. And to try and do this in one take, it might be helpful to remove this screw here and kind of pull this away and pull this forward door trim away so you can pull this out easier or see what you do. That's pretty self-explanatory if you just look at it. And then there's also this piece of triangle trim that will come off pretty much by its own. It just kind of pulls out. That goes in the center. But I hope that this is a quick enough video that people will watch it and figure out how to take it apart. Ask specific questions.